In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix PC restarting during video calls in Microsoft Teams. Let's jump straight into the fixes, starting with a quick system command that can help stabilize Windows if corrupted. System settings are contributing to the restarts. Move down to the bottom left corner of your taskbar, then right-click the Start button. In the menu that appears, click Terminal Admin. If Windows asks for permission or administrator credentials, go ahead and approve the prompt and enter your password if needed. Once the terminal window opens, you'll type the repair command shown on screen. If you need a moment here, you can pause and copy it from the pinned comment. Carefully enter the command, then press enter. Now give Windows a moment to process it. This can take a little time, so just wait for it to finish. What you want to see is a completion message that includes the word success. Once that appears, the command has done its job. You can now close the terminal window. Next, we'll check your graphics driver. Since Microsoft Teams relies on hardware acceleration for video calls, an outdated or unstable display driver can absolutely trigger crashes or even system restarts on some PCs. Again, right-click the Start button in the bottom left corner of the taskbar. This time, click Device Manager. In the Device Manager window, find Display Adapters and click the small arrow to the left of it so the section expands. You should now see your graphics card listed underneath. Right-click your graphics card, then choose Update Driver. In the next window, click Search automatically for drivers. Windows will now look for a newer version and install it if one is available. Let that process complete. Even if it says you already have the best driver installed, that's fine. The important part is confirming that Windows checks it. When you're done, close Device Manager. Now we're going to adjust your power plan. On some systems, aggressive power-saving behavior can interfere with video processing, especially during longer Teams meetings with camera and screen sharing active. Press the Windows key plus R on your keyboard to open the Run dialog. In the box, type the command shown on screen. If you want, pause here and copy it from the pinned comment so you can enter it accurately. Then press Enter. This opens the Power Options window. Look for High Performance and select it. If you don't see it right away, click Show Additional Plans. Then choose High Performance from the expanded list. This setting gives your system more consistent performance and can help prevent power-related instability while Teams is using your camera, microphone, display, and network at the same time. Once high performance is selected, close the Power Options window. Now let's clear the Microsoft Teams cache. This is one of the most effective fixes when Teams itself becomes unstable, especially after updates or when corrupted cache data causes crashes during calls. Go to the right side of your taskbar near the clock and find the small upward arrow. Click that arrow to open the system tray. Look for the Microsoft Teams icon there. Once you find it, right-click the Teams icon and click Quit Teams. Make sure the app is fully closed before moving on. Next, press the Windows key plus R again to open the Run dialog. In the box, type the folder path shown on screen. If you need a second to enter it properly, pause the video and copy it from the pinned comment. After typing the path, click OK or press Enter to open the folder. You should now be inside the Teams cache location. Select everything in this folder. The easiest way is to press Ctrl plus A on your keyboard, or you can drag your mouse to highlight the files and folders manually. Once everything is selected, delete all of it. If Windows asks for confirmation, approve it. These are temporary Teams files, so removing them is safe, and Teams will rebuild what it needs the next time it starts. After the folder has been cleared, open Microsoft Teams again from the Start menu or your taskbar. Give it a moment to launch normally. If you're prompted to sign in, enter your account and let Teams load fully. At this point, you've completed the main fixes. You repaired Windows system components, checked a graphics driver, switched to a more stable power plan, and cleared the Teams cache. Those are the key changes most likely to stop the PC from restarting during Microsoft Teams video calls. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Before you test it, I recommend joining a short Teams call or starting a test meeting to see whether the issue is gone. Let the camera run for a few minutes, turn your microphone on, and if possible, try screen sharing too. That gives your system a more realistic workload and helps confirm the fix actually works. If the computer still restarts after all of this, the next thing to check would usually be Windows updates. A manually downloaded graphics driver from your PC maker or graphics card manufacturer, or possible overheating during video calls. But in many cases, the steps you just completed are enough to stop the restarts and get teams working normally again. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.